The other very interesting thing about specifically real estate transaction documents and real estate transaction files is there is very often documents in your file that are not yours, very specifically including home inspection reports. If you're representing the seller and there was a notice of request for repairs, and so you ended up with a home inspection report in your file, you have that document, but it is not yours. It was purchased from the home inspector by the buyer. And, you can't necessarily just turn that over, but you also can't just not turn it over. And that's where we get into, raising the objections that may be necessary to the subpoena and getting a protective order from the court. Or sometimes, depending on what the issues are, if the home inspection report is going to be a big part of the transaction and could potentially even bring in the home inspector, I want the home inspector to have a heads up on that. And I want to be able to tell whoever sent us the subpoena, I've got a home inspection report. You've got to get it from the home inspector. And I'll tell you who that home inspector was, but you've got to go directly to them and get it. And sometimes they'll do that voluntarily. Sometimes we would actually have to get, a protective order from the court to say, if they want this document, they've got to get it from who it belongs